Hey everyone, welcome to Learn English Daily. Get ready for simple, real, and useful English lessons every day. Make sure to hit that subscribe button.
Hello everyone, welcome back to English in Daily Life. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Alex. We're very happy you're here today.
Today's topic is very useful. We're talking about asking simple questions in English.
Yes, simple questions you can use every day, at home, at work, at the shop, with friends.
This lesson is for beginners, so relax. Take your time. You are doing great already.
Before we start, please like this podcast. Subscribe for more easy English practice.
All right, let's begin. Let's start with a very easy question. What is this?
Good question. You use "what is this" when something is near you.
For example, you see food on the table. You ask, what is this?
Listen again. What is this?
Now you try. Pause and say it. What is this?
Good job. Now let's answer. It is a banana.
Simple sentence. It is a banana.
Real life example. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Nice. Now another question. What is that?
You use that for things far away.
Example, you see a building. What is that?
Answer, that is a school.
Listen again. What is that? That is a school.
Great work. You're improving already.
Now let's talk about people. A very common question is, where are you from?
We ask this when we meet someone new.
Listen, where are you from?
Answer, I'm from Nepal, or I'm from India.
Short and clear. I'm from.
Answer, real conversation. Hi, where are you from? I'm from Nepal.
Let's repeat together. Where are you from?
Pause and answer. Good job.
You sound great. Keep going.
Next question. What do you do?
This means, what is your job? Or, what is your work?
Listen. What do you do?
Answer examples. I'm a student. I'm a teacher. I work in a shop.
Real life example. I'm a student. I study English.
Nice sentence. Listen again. What do you do? I'm a student.
Your turn now. Pause and answer.
Excellent. That's a great answer.
Now let's talk about daily life.
A very useful question. What time do you wake up?
Listen carefully. What time do you wake up?
Answer examples. I wake up at 6. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Real example. I wake up at 6. I drink water. I eat breakfast.
My breakfast is simple. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Nice and natural. Let's repeat the question. What time do you wake up?
Pause and answer. Great job.
Now, let's practice yes or no questions.
Example, do you like tea?
Answers, yes, I do. Or, no, I don't.
Listen again. Do you like tea?
Now another one. Do you work today?
Answers, yes, I do. No, I don't.
Real conversation. Do you like coffee? Yes, I do.
Very good. You're speaking English now. Let's review today's questions.
We learned, what is this? What is that? Where are you from? What do you do? What time do you wake up? Do you like tea?
These are simple questions, but they are very powerful.
Practice them every day. Ask your friends. Ask yourself.
You are doing amazing. Don't be afraid to speak.
Here's our community question. What time do you wake up in the morning?
Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.
Thank you for listening. See you next time.
Bye. Keep practicing English every day.